Hi, so I received this Sastari ceramic poultry 6-inch serrated utility knife in exchange for my honest opinion, and I'll be trying it out today. This is my first time I'm going to be trying it. I haven't tried it out yet. As you can see, the packaging is very well designed. I love it. It's really nice and sleek. This is what it looks on the inside. Here you have the knife. Okay, I'm going to take out the knife. The knife itself, it's really nice, easy to grip. I could do it with both my left and my right, both good for lefties and righties. I love the fact that I get this, I don't know what you call it, this guard around it, so it's really easy not to hurt myself without, knowing, or anybody else. So I'm going to be taking that off, nice and shiny, all that. So first I'm going to be trying cutting something rough with it, like a lemon. I'm going to see how it is. I haven't tried it before, so I wouldn't know. So I'm going to cut it. Does it pretty smoothly. I like the fact it's very smooth. Wow. Wow. That's pretty good. No sharp edges or anything. And I really have a hard time cutting lemons, I could tell you that. That's pretty good. So next is a tomato. So first was the rough stuff, and it's soft tomato. See how it is with the tomato. Okay, it's gonna taste weird, the tomato, since it has lemon on there. But oh well. Okay, gonna try it out. Pretty easy. Wow, that was really fast. And there's no sharp edges, so that'd be really nice if I could put it as a decor too. Something nice such as salads or anything. It's very smooth. I like that. Usually with a knife rough edge like this, I usually get a lot of maybe how do you call it, it's really rough, not really smooth. Once out comes, like, the edges are always coming off and everything. It's not even. It's really even. It really looks nice, and I can't wait to try it for something real. So overall, this is a very great product. I'm glad I got to try it out, and I hope you guys too. Thank you.